location and excited to show you the newest listing at 36 Osborne Terrace in Springfield, Massachusetts. Come check out this charming 3-bedroom colonial style home. Let's go take a look. This home, built in 2003, has an eat-in kitchen with loads of counter space, including an island for all your cooking needs. You'll love this property, which highlights a nice living room, lots of closet space, and a main floor laundry. This property features 3 good-sized bedrooms, including a master bedroom with a walk-in closet. Outside you find a cozy front porch, fenced-in backyard, wood deck, and a swimming pool. We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 36 Osborne Terrace in Springfield, Mass. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact me at the number below. Here at the Weingarten team, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you. Whoop, my phone's ringing. Whoops, I missed a word. Colonial style home. It's the smiling part. You know, it's like talk and smile is, Kirk can do it, but yeah. And a full, whoops, missed that one.